Hello, and thank you for watching Guitar How-Tos. This is a pack of Jeweler's Piercing Saw Blades. You can find these on Amazon. Now, what you'll notice is that each section here has a different size, 1/0, 2/0, etc., and then 1 and 2. And they appear to go from a thin size to a thicker size. I've laid out some of the blades here in size order, and I have taken a coffee stirrer, which you can find you know where, cut them in half or as close to half, and laid out, in this case, 12 of them. Now what I'm going to do is make these my holder for these blades. So to make these blades fit, I'm going to break them in half. They break very easily. I'm going to keep the other half for another pair. And another set. Before I go any further, I want to mark these sticks over here. And I want to make this one the low E, A string, D, G, and B, and E. Now today I'm using super glue. You can use other brands too. And I want to put a dab of it . I want to take my blade and I want to make sure that I have enough over here, see about an inch in. Let's see if that's enough. Maybe a little more, 1.5 inches. And I'll do the same for the rest of them. And here are your tools to help you hold these blades in place while you're filing your nut slots on your guitar. I hope this helps you out.